dzangu ratopfuura ndisina kana anything chaitika. Even one munhu angonditi have birthday. My God. Aiwa, guys, I'm home message on my birthday. This is the birthday. I think you know more. Wow, baby, phone Masha. Baby Dave, Misha did say I was expecting your call since morning. Seriously. I hope you are bringing something. Okay. Send it on up. Alright, fine. Sure. Yeah, did you hear that?
Baby Dave.
Daisy. Oh.
What is it? I say, mommy.
I was so stressed, Everything's just slow.
I don't need a present.
Wow, thank you, my favorite juice.
And guess what? It's not all.
Sis.
Watch.
Wow, this is so nice. This is so nice. This is nice. Oh, thank you so much. I didn't expect that. Wow.
Can I swear, Nishana? Bukabata. Bukabata mkati.
Wow, it's so nice.
Yeah.
The whole day, I was so stressed and tonight, my birthday.
That's what funga. That's funga. That's better my plan. I don't surprise. I say.
Oh, it's so nice. Then.
Don't say.
What do you mean?
Don't say. Don't marry and then don't
No, that's impossible. Like seriously?
Don't want to consult.
Hey, juice in the what?
What's wrong, baby?
White juice.
Yeah,
just
don't
that.
consulting. Don't marry and now.
$20.
It's $15 and this one, it's not sugar $20.
For real. Look at the girls, but we grow flowers and marry. But I got and that just juice. Hey, no, I can't. No, I can't. This is too much.
Don't want more. Also, poor as soon as one. So, okay. All right, I won't imagine about our man.
Hi guys, look, I've got something for my birthday. Today is my birthday. I think you all know something from Bay. I'm so excited. Nice. Bye guys. Thank you.
Jesus
is Lord.
That's all I have.
No.
But it's a dar. I don't know.